Iron Man, whose real name is Tony Stark, is a genius inventor, billionaire industrialist, and the CEO of Stark Industries, a company that originally specializes in weapons manufacturing. His story begins with his brilliant yet arrogant and carefree lifestyle. However, Tony's life changes dramatically when he is captured by terrorists while on a trip to Afghanistan. During his captivity, Tony is severely injured by shrapnel that becomes lodged near his heart. The terrorists demand that he build a weapon for them, but instead, with the help of fellow captive Dr. Ho Yinsen, Tony secretly constructs a suit of armor that keeps him alive and helps him escape. After returning home, Tony reconsiders his company's role in creating weapons of mass destruction and decides to use his intellect and wealth for good. He refines the suit and adopts the persona of Iron Man, a superhero dedicated to protecting the world from threats. Despite having no superhuman abilities, Iron Man's suit grants him enhanced strength, durability, flight, and advanced weaponry. As Iron Man, Tony faces many challenges, including battling enemies who want to misuse his technology, and struggles with personal issues like guilt over his past and his battle with alcoholism. Throughout his journey, Tony grows from a self-centered businessman to a responsible hero. He becomes a founding member of the Avengers, a team of superheroes, and plays a pivotal role in saving the world from major threats, including the villainous Thanos in Avengers Endgame. In the end, Tony sacrifices his life to save the universe, cementing his legacy as one of the most iconic superheroes. Iron Man's story is one of redemption, personal growth, and sacrifice.